Dude, I'm just gonna make it all edit like a Dreamville failed. Like, just absolutely, just stupid shit.
Yeah, just try again. Back it back up.
Nah, that'd be good. Oh, bro. That's good.
No grease at all again. Okay.
No, this is how you measure it out for the other thing.
Oh yeah.
Dry guy. Loosen them bolts. I'll slam everything. Regrettably.
This is hard. Dude, I'm just gonna make it all edit like a Dreamville failed. Like, just absolutely, just stupid shit. You gotta put the star in.
Yep.
Alright,
But I just gotta hit it more.
no, what you do is you take this off. Take it off, get a socket that fits inside the tube,
And hit it?
and then hit the socket to straighten it out. Oh yeah.
Probably shouldn't have done that. There's probably too much rise in these bars.
Yeah, you watch too much of that dude's videos. I thought this was some work.
I'm sure he had hiccups his first one.
There goes the tie bolts.
Am I supposed to grease these bolts?
Grease nothing. This is so bad.
So I film around.
Oh wow, that was actually pretty good.
What do I do with spacer? Like put it in between there?
Yeah, you're supposed to slip it in. And then that threads.
I think it's the wrong size.
The spacer is definitely the wrong size.
Too big.
It looks like you're tickling it.
Oh, there it goes. Is that what you're supposed to use this crank tool for?
Is this straight? It doesn't look straight, bud. It's whack.
It's the wrong size.
You can keep the Allen key inside the freaking nut, bud. If it gets posted.
No, it's getting posted, dog. I posted that other video once.
All hour and 37 minutes of it.
You might just catch somebody that just on accidentally fell asleep the YouTube channel. No crank flips for you, bud. Show me a balloon animal. Where'd you even find black walled tires, though?
Fucking China.
Where?
AliExpress.
No, they had them.
Yeah. I don't know. I bought it from this like sketchy website. What do you think about profile logo going forward?
Well, you gotta just match the rear.
Yeah, so it's gotta go backwards.
It's showing off to yourself, not other people. What kind of balloon animal is it? It's a snake. See that finger strikes. Oh, yeah. I don't have the Max's logo centered perfectly, but it's fine.
It's between the two X's, somewhat.
What the other side?
No.
You wanna see what I'm doing? Oh, FaceTime me. He's trying to
I thought it
be.
was a tripod for a second.
No, I'm the tripod.
Well, good luck with this.
Thank you.
Cameraman.
I don't want to take these. Just don't let me forget.
Yeah, don't do that.
Not gonna take it for a test, right?
Nah, I'm just gonna sell it. That's good. Do you have the half link chain?
Breaker, yeah.
Dude, I think I actually didn't do it wrong.
Yeah, it actually looks right.
There it is. Dude, you're not. Are you even watching? Yeah. Well, don't film this because it's the sketchy part. We don't have tools for this.
Oh, yeah.
No, you'll get mad. Street credit for working with
Clempex. Is that how hard you gotta go?
No, probably not.
just crossed over.
That's what I think it's going on.
Got it straight? Put your finger tighten
Okay, we're good.
Cross that.
Shoot it a little lady. Or throw some alcohol.
Okay. Yeah, let's do alcohol. I'm gonna get canceled now.
Yeah. That purple is not anywhere near the other purple.
It wasn't supposed to be.
Okay, that's good.
You're colorblind.
But I can still tell it's whack. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Tracy. Wait.